How to view security code on Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail, log into your account, then click on your profile located on top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage Your Account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll to the left and you'll find Security beside Data and Privacy. Click on Security, scroll down and you'll find Security Code. In here, you need to verify if it's you. Simply add your PIN number. After that, your security code will be in there. This is how to view security code on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.